It's
Some of my messy the post. It's a band 20 messy at the abo. Or say, me shows you many as your sauce. Grandma, your tie can you pan on po biniyem. Obi Buruvia, Uncle Go biniyem. Coffee to Boo, Nefi and Sinayem. What if you can see a Shiano alem? And I say, dope nation, Obiniyem. Awatiana. Yeah, slim body, I'm mad than a langard. Ubi so you bad, they are better than bad. Go ya for jet into two you turn back. See me new when you say me kuta me say my bag. Yeah, pay money no, say me show me no. Ukusi say me piano you shoddy no. Say me take against me hobby no. You move way fire no way free the Holy Ghost. The Holy Ghost. Awatiana.
DLFM 106.9.
Yeah, me see I know me baby. Makuma ya bobanti accident yeah. Say who feeling me a trip me my dear. The obeti be obeka wo aso se baji yeah. Ya ji ya ni wa ha ya ni wa ha ya ni wa ha. And you take away abana and me di wa ha. Yeah, first the man virtually none of things when you wa ha and you wa ha and you wa ha. Obinien. Awatiana. Piano. Go and sit down, drama. If you want join this,
DLFM 106.9.
Find girls there, show me dollar. And if I get rich like Kofi Abba, no comma, full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go paying you if you no get less, if you no get less. Stay far away from me. I see a pen and read it.
It's
I know fit to laugh, oh baby. Agyei, my belly, oh baby. I know fit to laugh, oh. Full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go paying you if you no get less, if you no get less, no get less. Stay far away from me. I see a pen and read it sweet as Agyei. We dey collect them, they shiver Agyei. Your super no fit as my super Agyei. Fine girl with bombas Agyei. I see a pen and read it sweet as Agyei. We dey collect them, they shiver Agyei. Your super no fit as my super Agyei. Fine girl with bombas Agyei.
DLFM 106.9.
Mix. Yagayoi.
I'm feeling it soda.
Yagayoi.
It's
I've got to say, I'm feeling great. Perfect time to play. Oh, what a day. I've got to say, I'm feeling great. Perfect time to play. Sunshine in my soul, making it bright. electric energy, electric energy, electric, electric energy, electric energy, electric energy.
DLFM 106.9.
I love it.
Hi. It's a freaky funky Friday. Adiamo fedi amania. Edu sadesia. Ewe chadi nwodi ya de yonim de maipo. Yeah, my book. Nimni na chini ni happy. Enquiries.
Said the baby Sam Enquiries. And the baby Enquiries. So that I would see I'm Enquiries.
Good morning and welcome to your favorite mid-morning show, Ye Kura Kura on DLFM 106.9. It's 20 minutes past the hour 11. And now you're Friday. Into when it's a freaky funky Friday. And then you into for internet sunny and Nijena. But joining your live on Facebook, any YouTube, any DLFM 106.9. Adia ho feji amadia. Na we tadi modi ade woni mde mai to. Ye mai pe. Ai yankore.
Said the baby Sam Enquiries.
Ade biede.
Enquiries. So that I would see I'm Enquiries.
Ade bi mom de e de. Daddy Lumba say ye bieja. Eja de wu bia ye bomodi ase and the wicked ube bieja. Ade biedo. Biejo.
I didn't cheer more draw. I did hear more draw. Enquiries. Said the baby Sam Enquiries. And the baby Enquiries. So that I would see I'm Enquiries.
Aye bieja. So that I would see I'm Enquiries. Ade biede. Bonyo.
Enquiries, baby. If I'm going I didn't cheer more than. I didn't cheer more draw. I did hear more draw. DL. I'm your body roll.
Me did you media ye be somewhere and no pay me Diane Adwoa Agyei Sika pa. And then a ban now was that Lumba was so to me, but now bet you them. And then a ban now was soon. Belena bet you the man. I wish I could be Kunima over South Sawan, no bet you the man. Oh, bet you, Mamma, Daddy Lumba.
Said the baby Sam Enquiries. And the baby Enquiries. So that I would see I'm Enquiries.
And then on a Friday, nya dear ye be ye kasatin timbia wa hanuma ye work and happiness e ye boja ye ntina sunny and yomuna. DJ Marian etnemu wa hanum dia nyomna no de ma won sane ode anyom ne hyase no energy bia be rami mu no. Enye energy kitwa. Nemo memra ye du ye kwaji aboafo nkrato aba. Enchi mefidie no emfen free abomodi asebeda DLFM 106.9. Ye kwaji nkrato ne ba ye de anyom no ebeto aso e de amamu na dwumedi aka ni na no ye de ahyehye so. Ye twa ye ho aba.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
It's easy, Mizu, baby. Send it out, yeah, no, nah.
Virginia, Femmewaso, anyone kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels. Wasem tia one trail. Se wo pe baby meetings and our conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels are very spacious conference halls are a state of the art. Se e come deal na wo pe baby ya obenya duane a emu ode na emu ohwam na pomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa metre abodwonsa ya so bogu mi na se ni pedua mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia mehwe baby a se DLFM Plaza Bar and Restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon, ya emema, and a man to Mississippi one trini. A fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Mikawum, nebe shekiu amawaniaje, echegusa. Oh, DLFM Event Center, DLFM Plaza Hotels, dear, Dime Papa, in the Padem, dear, Buso, into Saope Hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdrie dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ya wa 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busfia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe DLFM Plaza Hotel. Echi akwan ewo obotan so. Eni atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so behuyen wa hwerase. Ya ne fire service station no. Eni di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ya ofrafra ha. Ubetumi afre yen ewo homayi so. 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@dlfmplazahotel.com. Website www.dlfmplazahotel.com. DLFM Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Freedom is here. Ghana, let's jubilate this independence. Lumba brings you the Independence Weekend vibe. 3 days back-to-back showdown from Friday 6th March to Sunday the 8th of March 2026. 6th March is a throwback jam. We take you back to the Y2K edition. Old school hits, classic jams, and non-stop vibes. With all the dope DJs on the decks, DJ Alien, DJ La Posta, DJ Bredash, DJ Vibes, and DJ Trillium. And your hype MCs are heavy and her excellency. Time is 7 p.m. sharp. Now on Saturday the 7th of March is when you feel the rhythm of Ghana with a hip live band session. Come and enjoy a live play of all the hottest hits from the 2000s up till date with the Chrome Band. Sunday the 8th of March is the Independence Shinkwan special at 10 a.m. where we're going to be enjoying all the local delicacies, and at 6 p.m. the showdown continues with the Bogger and Western hip live music. Remember that there's a food bazaar that will be available all 3 nights.
Official media partner, DL 106.9.
This year's Independence is all about good music, good food, and a good location. Chrome Pap is the place where all the vibe lives.
Hey, Kwame, at the Wakabuman, I saw one of Maha, when he sat to set the woman about quiet here. We are dang.
Akosia a woman po. Issue a menu, and ya kama, Pesu Papa no chumebo. So ne can't
I no pay them their summer seal. I no pay yan and I miss you, piano, miss you, Croje, a friend, Lumba and Super. In Siono, dear, if I would name say Boko, ne so smooth. Kwame in Sion, there was a woman in Sione, come
Lumba and Super.
Lumba and Super,
Mamma country. Super penny. And you're not your dear see me. Now, many of you are to him for.
A pebi, I the acquisition me fridge.
Nana.
Kwame, send the Akosia canon. The same time we wish you afford the Mamma Super a Lumba and Super. In Sia by a drama, so any asset get to a crack. They say, I don't know and one will be a 2 o'clock. Don't want to pay fear more. Yeah, no more. Just a BBA demo. Come. Aquala Production and Trading Limited. And I want the Adwoa Buano. And they bring you in Sionia. In Sia Lumba and Super. Sanya, I don't want to be a 2 Abra Akosia about Mamma and say, Opia. The Sainty on my friend number C 026-3983-801 and I said 054-078-5010. Me pacho open Lumba in Super and who ensembia dia. Waiting up for your website www.lumbainsuper.com. Ubenya ehon akadenya ewo ho Lumba in Super natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super great. FDA Agyei Sika atum.
on DLFM. You are listening to your number one radio station, playing all the hit songs and more on DLFM 106.9. On DLFM.
Na mi mama kwaba, munyina ediba DLFM.
It's Friday! DLFM 106.9.
Shaggy, boom, yentem, boom. You dey do me like boom. Say shaggy, boom, yentem, boom. You go do them like juju. Kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika. Kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika. Kaba, hey kaba, see them around go hide for the tights, gonna, we know the shake mana, wanna, we know the fear wanna, they know the see say we no be in for that, wanna, them all are informants, Kalika, if I the dance I the just manica, low key we be caterpillar, you go see one day we go 10 to killer, Kalika, if I the dance I the just manica, low key we be caterpillar, you go see one day we go 10 to killer, Shaggy, boom.
DLFM 106.9.
Do me like say shaggy, boom. Yentem, boom. You go do them like juju. Kalika, 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 kalika. Kalika, 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 kalika.
DLFM 106.9.
We drop the enters in the nobody go fi stop and me. From now to July, go be banga wala. If you cry with my brother, we go make you go here and me. Shaggy, boom, yentem, boom. You dey do me like boom. Say shaggy, boom, yentem, boom. You go do them like juju. Kalika, 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 kalika.
It's Friday!
You too hardcore.
we are DJ, we are MCO, we are MCO, we are Shuffle. Say, Randy Paswan, my chef. We are Metal, we are Meteo, we are Driver, we are Driver, we are Lawyer. Say, Randy Paswan, my chef. Yakosha, Kosha, 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 Yakosha, Yadipa, Kosha, Yakosha, Kosha, 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 Yakosha, Yadipa, Kosha.
DLFM 106.9. It's
from that break, I think one joining in your higher DLFM 106.9, your Kremu mid-morning show. Obeti mi joining in our Facebook, Samsung na YouTube, DLFM 106.9. Ode wa join channel by your back in kind Eddie Amamo. Big shout out to my baby girl, Lizzie Brown. Girl, who ain't from my feel? I was so to me testing now, Pemo be mommy and I was today. And then Friday, went to me show bestie, Sanka bestie, crowd and do a week crowd mommy allowance. What to me show me sa capren pominia. Yama switch ya, mammy in the fear. Odoye udameche, or the free man who says it, Benny Besha, Missy, Edia Ponyabo, Benny Besha, Missy, Edia Ponyabo. Minim Saudi, a son of Jinamu of Fientin, Freddy a bit so pan. Ubehia super power benom san ye betimi aboa na hode a wahwe no nsa ebetimi akabio enti me kan fu Lumba super e de ama wo ye woni sachet san so ana bottle water insu e de afan fidie mu asone sokroji eye e de mani peduano na FDA so agya tumu se eye Super no penny do to abet me a friend penny 40549 889685 and 0549 436 616. Okodan suma ni important mama da mabanya miche ye so distributor or adjacent Lumba spot appear to lane. Friend was 0557349401. Mama Vic, our fan call sports M or adjacent to Nasu Washing Bay. Friend was 0500680783. Bra Kwame, our Dakuman Circle Station by Adam Choba. Fred Bra Kwame was 0244094793. Madam Edith Kusi Wodowenya or Opsi Central University friend was 0246601004 and 0266400215. Nana Sacha Opokwasi Odumase or Satisfy Water Depot no Ben Government School no friend was 0592 317 481. Auntie Emilia Ewatema Community 4 Second D Joint friend was 0540 423 201 and 0574 761 396. Lumba and Super is pure in every form. Get a grip. I was so to me more don't who none of yamushino. And into so premature ejaculation. Oh, yeah, bear mana so to me, where you my year one pem. Bama de ama on sanka give us speak up so sunny a bear betimi abo adwuma ye na odofo no nu ja honum no hu a ne yam ebetimi ahye no. Se koko na ha wana sa yam team. Ma on sanka give us score capsule. Ubetimi afa give us score capsules any pick capsules na bom sunny be ye betimi ayo hu adwuma ye. Odiani ye malaria, ye typhoid fever, na jaundice, and a house. Ye di favorite food abesi when him na mean the loss of appetite. Immune system no anentimi emboy juma ye. May can forgive us herbal mixture at the amount.
Odami don't know anything. Odam fan say when you me for. Odosi me the look.
Odiane san ho keka betimi atutu ho sana rashes egu ni peduane ho. Eba wo ma semu aye menstrual pains ye de wire calendar every month. O menstrual flow ni crampo na shada emba ye. Make can forgive GC mixture and capsules at the amount. Oba wo se otimi siesie ho sane ebe ya ne be ma kompema oba o menya ho asembone enka.
Ojami ama me watch me. Ama korea boso emaso wasasiso.
Give us in new pay ubenya bi ewo pharmacies and drugstores bi a eben o ewo man mu afana nina. Na so pen do etu abetimi afre give us 40543 222 470.
And she won my dear go work on your boy. But you know be the
Chrome Pop in collaboration with DLFM representing Independence Weekend Vibe Nenuna a 3 days back-to-back event. From the 6th to 8th of March. Na sit match na ye throwback jams and so na Y2K edition. DJ Sini Diomudo Supi, DJ Hitman, DJ Brida, DJ La Posta, DJ Trillion, Chese DJ Sini Doso, DJ Foster, the boss player, Munina, Babi. Sansuna MCs no aye MC Heavy, MC Big City, MC Katuzo, and in Anama Fosua. Day 2 na ye 7th March, and so your hip life experience and your live band. Not just a strictly Ghanaian hip life, a year music, and a Bekosuo. Day 3 na the Yabone bede and a day bro. And no aye 8th March. And upon no do not just say independent quite special no air coso ne bueno no see an abogan Western Highlife night and so echiatua. Na DJ Sabeba ye DJ Ziggy B a year and ma Ziggy Sanso and a DJ Omario Miami Kojo Mujinamu de ding. Side attraction a food bazaar Sanso na old school dancing competition. Na Jumedia is powered by Sound Masters. Enti kai se Chrome Pop any DLFM Eddie a year Independence Weekend vibe and we have 3 days back-to-back events Eddie Bremo.
Now boy no take me. Me no pia now hide me. Now dogs stay back me. About saying now flash me. Me do space now buzz me. We shall be based now tax.
Dr. Amponsa Herbal Hospital.
You rush me.
As a stroke in a house say hypertension, malaria, syphilis, infertility and as infection be an hawa.
No.
And your Dr. Amponsa Herbal Hospital at Tomunsa at their frail. Amu was sprinters, coastal bus stop Honoma, Muye Juma, Juada, Ecosifiada. So open enquiries be about me from 0278 599 611 and 0243 110 875. And there a Friday. What your body be pure? What you see? More pubs, more clubs, more restaurants, more beaches. Ayedenya mu free hono ma odi oba ni be kofi empema grown so betimi akoso na grown be di bia so hu san we ne de sane aye na aye no ne mom yare de bi abuso e wo manga na mu ntina wo so timi e bon ho ban enuntina make am for flame condoms e dia ma ye wo mu mienu e long lasting sans na greater stimulation. Opedudu etu abetimi anya bi wo ye top up pharmacy sanso na Echoes Pharmacy any house of drugs. Seba ko na mienu na wo pattern so akọ drugstores ni pharmacies ahodo e ben now sabetimi aka flame condoms ni bi. E was so timi e bon ho ba sansa wo nkwa ho hia. Make a flame condoms anu agimi so e wo fie se turn up the heat na chese eja e wo mu. Medima for Herbal Clinic, Dr. Time that so as if I no efabra sanya be all the time, e better so at the amount. And to say yes, strokes what you don't pay a year possible near malaria, infertility. Amu opokwasi mayira. Ebi so ewo Kumasi nti ubetimi eye Medima for Herbal Clinic for akasa ewo 0244 774 282 and 0500 727215. Regina Buediosi, please, how are you doing today? I'm doing good, Regina. I see I'm watching you live at Achimota Market. Good work. I see na niji anyum na DJ Mario ebonu hu ye papa DJ Mario na de oyini nsano. Say ye bojaye.
Mafro, odampa, getting free, bedari, it's a holiday. It's a holiday.
Bibi bia anyom ne ka bia no anene ye beye. Otu ye for Saturday ye ntie. Na Friday dey ye tufo. Entu me fo ma me nkopem Monday no be tu me fo.
It's a holiday. It's a holiday. Mafro, odampa, getting free, bedari, it's a holiday. King holiday. Many mati white, Mr. White, boss white. Number bay yo nako.
Rose Samuel, say hi, I'm watching you from Community 1 Market. Greetings to Stephen Atariafe. And like just inside Tema Market, I see good job. I just saw the wedding, that's also. Auntie SCP, so see you do well. What a wonderful Friday. Keep it up, my dear.
She says holiday.
Nana will so at the abana 100%. Not just a bibia, cause you be bia, she shares you.
Get away, the best.
Stephen Atari, I feel say good morning, Black Beauty. Adwoa Agyei Sika pa abebio wedding. The only wafasi of Inshaba Sami B. I really love what you are doing. Happy soul day to myself and greetings to all friends at Community One Market. Way every great we are fair or whatever.
Give and take. Shampoo and yes, it's here. Give and take. Pull and push and yes, it's
and then you be feeling Ankasa. Get your mat Sunday. You be feeling Papa. Wait to me, she because you be feeling there, you be feeling, and then by 8 p.m. near do Sunday by 5 p.m. not just you be do feel near boy home for Monday. Keep your advice to yourself. It's Friday. Who will put to be at so Monday will bet me where you remember betting me the at now 1 or 2 hours with the upper casa or brand new way. Give and take. Then let the okay, fahana, just say. When would they be patching? Give and take, pull and push. Then I made 5 minutes per air tour at the Amakole. Asam na mi bisana very simple. Odi wo hia eye wo hia pa poverty wo hia ene eye oba bone se oyere bone ana se kunu bone to ono ma emu mienu no de na etimi ekum ni pantem o hia ana se oyere bone ana se okunu bone de na ekum ni pantem. Numbers ni 0534 050199 and 0593406565. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Fine morning.
Beba chodini baby afrefi.
Your family Jerry one, memo of fantasy. Make us a free Joe.
Okay, Pacho with you.
Me Pacho about bunny me people about bunny, my man, you queer rough.
Samo.
Bajoen.
Me that's
Okay.
Thank
bye.
you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Hofe.
Beba chodini baby afrefi.
Mrs. Minta Tema Contutu.
Mrs. Minta Pacho with you.
Kunubani be kunwate. Now here we need the own two baby no. No kunubani so better welcome. See a cake, Bama Buona via Wareno. Moment to a mofo.
That's Mrs. Smith.
We still go them.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Bachodini baby afrefi. Okay, Pacho meet you. Missy wo hia oba bone se oyere bone ani ekunu bone de na ekum ni pantem.
We have a good time.
Hia be kuntem wo. Me das say. Hello, good morning. Hello, Pacho betimi atwo ho afrafide no ho amame.
Me Pacho yo Pacho me frio.
Me Pacho udini baby afrafi.
Me Pacho from Regina. Me kase free action water market.
Oh, this is Regina. Me se me ba besra.
Call translation function.
Oh, me ba besra.
Yeah, super.
Me Pacho yentio.
Me Pacho okru bone.
Departure. Okay.
Good morning, Pierre. Oh, yeah, there's all good one fire. You know, good morning, very much what they say. Mammy Jai, ultimate, the good morning, you free.
Medasses.
And if we get the problem, we still go.
Hello, good morning.
Adwoa Agyei Sika pa abebio wedding.
Great to have you. Good morning.
Our tell great to have you.
Coffee hey. And then next is mama odi fu friend.
Great to have you. So coffee me so me di coffee.
Auntie enu ano na wa no.
Me nya o de ma me fa akwanya we. Na me we she Vida sir. Happy birthday our precious fans of DL.
Okay.
Auntie Adwoa.
Papa.
Yes, I be kasa sisi a say o hia de obebo mpae. Empire no bokra boa oboya point yo.
Sebia obon paye na Nyankopon discover free sraba what you say Nyankopon be yen century
Utie.
Metie opa.
Obon paye Nyankopon discover free throw.
So be yen century ni.
Na wa anya adwuma e.
Eno ni asem no.
Aha. Do here there there is a saying say when you kum insonson. Thought as
me pacha.
O here there. Oni ngame adwuma.
Me da say. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sikapa.
Me ba chodini baby afrefi.
Oh, the black beauty herself be that oh.
Great to have Finiana. Me di wudi am obi dada.
Asema odi atu no akwese bi sikwane nkoni na haba ye tase na oba sample. Oba aboni so oba ha wa ohun. Wo de yam Bible na fasa no. Oba kan to atwen. Oba san ayede eyi egu baby. Anka me de anka mafa me hia because we hia ne de hia wa debi ebe ba oba aboni so oba tete wa. It's slow poison.
Me that's great to have fair. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Abom te say.
Nyame adom na mpachon so e.
Bacho mi tumu hu. Bacho family Linda me ka se fro ba ko wa.
Bacho mi ti.
Awole de se be kun ntemo e chen ohia no ohia de ye dan kwa oba
wenti mi engineer. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
Papa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Kaudeni se odo Lumba.
Ojewoso.
Na ye ka no here de say ye be awon ko bi se oni obe ma obi no ye poni. Obi ti plan ka na time. Obe ti o no ti wa fuma. Oba poni. Eh, sir. Nko bi da. Why?
Me that say. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho dini baby afrefi.
The family ko jimi kase fi tema.
Okay, pacho meet you.
Pacho obabo ni pa na sitira ya o. Mama akumatie anja bu ntem. Omo sha konfuni omo a doki hat ni ade atu omu fi na ma enti ohia de eno ye sen se obaye
me that say. Hello. Me the course no SC. The one person. Hello. Hello.
Sikapa.
Papa.
Me ba cho abomu di say.
Nyame adom na mpacho so e.
Nyame abe me ho ye pa. Bomi di ma me. Sika.
Ayaka.
Hey Sika. What me about great afi. We ti me mo for na.
Na wo mitiri ma me pesa me kana meti.
Na agwa ye de we afi di eri ti o.
Ai me pacho meti o.
Odo ene wa ya de.
Me da se.
Ma pa. Ya obeya na wa ye no ya de. Ba he. Se me fa ba boni pa de. La ilaha illallah. Enka medi hia.
Okay.
Oba boni. Na sabi wo ba no kra sabi wo ya papa kra nei na de. Oh, that be Sika. Good and come. Two country baby here. Why?
Matimi, that's 499. Hello. Good morning, Pachachu. Who fresh for the mame? Oh, yeah, my last caller.
I'm a trim and
okay, Pacho, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, dini baby are free.
I say a friend, I make a free.
Okay, Pacho, meet you.
Me Pacho, our bonnet. And I can make me see that. And I made me here. Okay. That is the one I will chill you Kurano at the surface. Okay. I can make me here. Yo,
may I say? May the course no SC. May I find Shaba could just some you are beginning mamma sign at a man solid dias from one mejibi. Rose Samuel, see we are dancing inside La Jaws collection wedding Friday match love says. Yeah, do it, dear Natchez, a dear Cassia Bonnet to so Eddie Mamu. Yeah, dear Cremo mid morning show no Eddie C. Mini DJ Marion ene Belinda ene edi dwumadie no ede bremu. Me a me di dwumadie ebremu me dia me jeswa ye Adwoa Agyei Sika pa me sori so amanhwaba kwadwo sami bi edidi okase ebo no abesomo.